I'm live here at Providence Pedestrian Bridge. It is no longer time for just a small umbrella. You need that poncho. You need those knee-high rain boots. You need those waterproof pants, outfits, whatever you can. I've been out here for over 20 minutes. My outfit is completely soaked. If you're thinking about taking a seat out here to read a book, I would suggest not to. We're now in just heavy rain. The wind is picking up. My umbrella is seconds away from inverting, actually, so I would not suggest anybody to come outside if you don't have to. The temperatures are it's just a really bad storm out here in Providence. And I'm just reporting live. We will keep you updated on the weather, on air, online, and on our Now Local News app. I'm reporting live in Providence. Lyra Lynn Jackson with ABC 6 News.